street away.
All right, we're just, once more here. Deep breath. And whoa. Okay. All right. Once more there. Whoa. State law to submit to it and complete a chemical test to determine the alcohol and/or drug content of your blood. Because I believe you're under the influence of alcohol or a combination of alcohol and drugs, you have a choice of taking a breath or blood test. If you are on DUI probation, you are required to submit to a preliminary alcohol screening test.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, thank God. If you refuse to submit to or fail to complete a chemical test, your driving privileges will be administratively suspended for 1 year or administratively revoked for 2 or 3 years by the Department of Motor Vehicles. A second offense within 10 years of a separate violation of driving under the influence, including such a change agrees to a reckless driving or vehicular manslaughter or a violation of CVC section 23140, which resulted in a conviction or separate administrative determination.
Nothing.
That you were driving with a blood alcohol content of 0.01% or more while under age 21, or a separate administrative determination that you were driving with a blood alcohol content of 0.01% or with on DUI probation or
I've done nothing.
Okay, or a blood alcohol concentration of 0.04% or while operating a commercial vehicle or a blood alcohol content of 0.08% or more at any age, or you refuse a test will result in a 2-year administrative revocation. 3 or more offenses within 10 years of any combination of the above violations, convictions, or separate administrative determinations will result in a 3-year administrative revocation. Refusal or failure to complete a chemical test may be used against you in court. Refusal or failure to complete a breath or urine testing will result in a fine and mandatory imprisonment if you are convicted under a violation of CVC section 23152 or 23153. You do not have the right to talk to an attorney or have an attorney present before stating whether you will submit to a test, before deciding which test to take, or during the test. If you cannot or say you cannot complete the test you choose, you must submit to and complete a remaining test. Would you like to submit to a blood test?
I need to talk to my husband.
You cannot talk to your husband right now.
Okay, then I need to talk to an attorney.
You cannot talk. I just read that. You cannot talk to an attorney.
I don't know what.
Yes or no for blood?
I don't know what to say.
It's up to you.
I don't know what to say. I'm not intoxicated.
If you want to make it easy on us, it's a yes. If you say no, then we have to do a little longer route to do a forced blood draw. So it's easier on you if you just go over there, get the blood draw, and we'll be done.
You know what? Do a forced blood draw because I really want to speak to my husband.
You cannot speak to your husband.
Why can't I speak to my husband?
Because you can't. All right. Can you hear that, brother? Go ahead and turn around for me.
Yes, sir.
Put your hands on your back. Palms together. Put your palms together. Give your cuffs. All right. Go ahead and
gonna lock these, okay?
Yes, sir. Ma'am.
It's okay, ma'am. I know what you meant.
Yeah, I got it.
Hey, ma'am, I'm gonna escort you here. We're gonna go to my vehicle, okay?
No, that's he is.
Well, okay.
He took our vehicle.
We'll have you take a seat in this car.
I think it is if you need to.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know, but this isn't mine. Alright. Take a seat first, please. Be careful. I know it's a little dark back there.
Man, I'm gonna see this. Why am I handcuffed?
Okay, my purse.
You're under arrest right now for driving under the influence and causing a traffic collision resulting in a fatal collision.
No!
Yes. That's why. Hang on. That's why I'm asking you to submit to a blood test. Otherwise, we have to go the long route and do a forced blood draw. You want to submit to the blood draw?
No.
All right. Go ahead and go off camera.
Ending camera at 8:42 on September 9th, 29th, 2020.
2040.
2040? Yeah, 2042 hours.